Minya kwa Ramogi wadonje weche mag tuke. Piem tuke mag chess dhi chakore ayanga e nyasi mar FESTAC Africa Festival madhi timore chakre tarik 25 dweni nyaka tarik 1 dwe mar 9 kama pinje 6 dhi bedo ka piem e tukego. Gigeto mar piago talanta mag nyithindo mawuok e sikunde mag piny owacho kod sikunde mag ji giwegi ka gikwayo jogo mani kod were e tugo mar chess mondo obi ochop Kisumu mar piem kendo tiegore mondo giyud lony e wi tuke makamago.
From the 25th, we'll be organizing a chess tournament called Victoria Under-21 Open Chess Tournament. And as it is now, we expect 6 nations to participate. So far, we have Kenya, we have Uganda, we have Southern Sudan, we have the United States, we have Britain, and we have Canada, who have sent representatives to this event, and we anticipate to have about 400 participants as it is.
Normally in such an event, we have 2 main things that determine such, make it a world-class event. And if you look at our awards and what we are putting up for grabs, it's not only about medals and trophies. Our top award is a flight return ticket for both categories and also a laptop, meaning we are here to uplift the talents and also to motivate the young ones. They believe in sports, they are also likely to excel. So formerly, chess was known as a game for the rich. However, within Kenya and also within East Africa, we've tried to change the narrative. For instance, if I may dwell more about Victoria Chess Club, we normally have affordable chess training sessions.